In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Face ID in Spark Mail app. We're using a simple system-wide feature in iOS 18, and later that lets you lock individual apps with Face ID. This happens outside of the Spark app itself, so you don't need to dig through Spark settings. Before we start, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18 or newer, and that Face ID is already set up on your device. If your iPhone supports Face ID, you're good to go. If you use a passcode or Touch ID, your device may show those instead. First, locate the Spark Mail app icon on your home screen. If you keep your apps in folders or use the app library, that works too. Once you've found it, press and hold the Spark icon. Don't drag it, just hold until the Quick Actions menu appears. From that menu, tap Require Face ID. iOS will ask you to confirm this choice, so tap Require Face ID again to proceed. Right after you confirm, you'll see the Face ID prompt. Look at your iPhone to scan your face. Once Face ID recognizes you, the lock is set. That's it. From now on, opening Spark will require Face ID authentication every time. Even if someone tries to access the app from the app switcher, they'll still hit that lock screen. This is especially helpful if you hand your phone to someone or if it's lost or stolen. A few useful notes about how this works. The lock is controlled by iOS, not by Spark, so it's consistent and reliable. If your Face ID is unavailable, for example, after a restart, you'll be asked for your device passcode instead. Also, this feature only protects the app when it's opened. Your notification previews might still show snippets of emails on your lock screen or banners. If you want to keep previews private, consider adjusting your notification settings to limit what shows outside the app. If you don't see the Require Face ID option when you long press, double check that you're on iOS 18 or later, and make sure you're pressing and holding the icon to bring up the context menu, not entering jiggle mode. Some older devices may present a different biometric label, but the locking behavior is the same. To recap, find the Spark icon, press and hold it, choose Require Face ID, confirm the choice, and scan your face. In just a few seconds, you've added a strong layer of privacy to your inbox with a built-in iOS feature. Enjoy the extra peace of mind every time you open Spark.